Ladies and gentlemen, let's start our show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Bennett. Now Bennett right here is our green-winged macaw. Now these birds are widespread throughout the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. There you go, folks. Our show is officially started. How about a round of applause for Bennett? Hello everyone, my name is and welcome to Cebu Park's Happy Ever. My name is Riz and I'll be your host for today's show. Now our next set of birds are my very best friends. But as you know, sometimes friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet our lovely pair of birds, Blue and Azul. Now these two birds will battle over who's going to be the best in the basketball game. Oh, this right here is Blue and over here is Blue. So before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. So first for the boys, cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue. Now for the girls, it's cheer for Azul. Come on, girls, say, go Azul, go Azul. Alright, now is everyone ready for the basketball game? Hey, again, is everyone ready? Alright, first ready, cheers, ready, and go. Come on, cheer, guys, first ball for Blue, Azul. Second ball for Blue, Azul. And the last one goes to Blue. Blue, the basketball game. That's alright, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. This time, let's do a race. Now for this one, first bird to drop all three races and the pole the fastest is the winner. That is your race. Alright guys, everyone ready for the second round? Birds ready, trainers ready, and go! Here we go, first straight goes to Blue, Azul, second round, Blue, and Azul got all the races at the same time, but after the technique. So I guess that's it. How about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Okay, now the next part of our show, I need one adult volunteer with a 100 peso bill. So does anyone want to volunteer? Yes, sir? Alright, sir, come out on the stage and bring with you 100 pesos. So you know this one for our parents? That is because parents are powerful, intelligent, charismatic, and physically kind. Alright, sir, so come out on the stage. Sir, good afternoon. I want you to stand over here. Stand over here. Now face the table. And extend your left arm like this. I'll turn the money good, sir. And no matter what happens, don't move or swing your arm, alright? So are you ready, sir? Yes? Okay, so let's call it our Money Bird Blue. Now Blue right here can detect if the money is sweet or not. So let's go Blue. Now Blue flies over, grabs the money. What's next, Blue? Blue returns to the table and guess what, sir? Blue wants to donate your money. How about a round of applause for our donor right here? So sir, is it okay that Blue donates your money? Yes, sir? It's okay? So how about the second round, sir? This time, 500 pesos. Sir, just kidding. It's all for the show. We'll return your money. But first, we'll have a photo with Blue for your souvenir. So just stand over there, sir, and follow our trainer's instructions. So first up over there on your right, we have our green wing macaw. Okay, As you can see, those birds are covered with mostly red feathers, while their tail and wings are blue and green. The last bird right there has a white and a stripe with small red feathers. Now that is time to begin is our first. Now that is say hi to everyone. Hi, Brandon. How about the other side? Say hi. Hi. Over there on the left is our blue and gold mapagoli. So as you can see, blue and gold mapas are covered with a beautiful shade of blue on its back, while their bellies and airways are gold and yellow. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Now here is the Ocean Park. We have three blue and gold mapas. So earlier at the basketball game, that was blue and azul. Now we're in our own segment later. Now kumakain na si Goldie, hi, where is si Goldie? Say hi to everyone, Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Now, the mapas are widespread throughout the countries of Bolivia, Brazil, Peru, and Paraguay. Now, their scientific name is Ara Ararauna. Now, lastly here is our Equirus red. Now, these birds are very unusual. That is because we can easily identify if they are male or female. So we call them as asexual. You can do it, Goldie! Once again, guys, cheer louder. You can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie.
Okay, Goldie, now find us that hidden object. So Goldie searching, scanning each shot, using her psychic powers. Out there, round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie. So here is her fresh. Natin isa is Kabatua Galarita. Over there on the left, we have our Brahmapamatus idol. Our Brahmapamatus are known as the white Pamatus, or the green white crested Pamatus. So here comes Snow. Now Snow, your equation is 19 plus 11. 19, 11, Snow. So what studies is Snow, alright? Snow, give us the first number. So Snow makes number 3 as the first number, correct? Oh, you're not sure. Is the first number correct? Okay, Snow, finish your answer. There we go, 19 plus 11 equals 30. There's our brownie height, sometimes to be known as Phoenix on the left shore, which is. Now these birds are widespread throughout the subcontinents of India, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. Now here in the Philippines, we call them as Mawits or Gandog in the Visayan region. Now these birds prefer their habitats on wetlands such as mangrove forests, estuaries, lakes, and even coastal. There's our majestic Philippine surf-fed eagle. Now these birds are endemic to the major islands here in the Philippines, usually open woodlands and forests. So as you can see, that bird right there is bigger and bulkier, yet they know our height, and it's because they tend to feast on much larger animals, such as small birds, reptiles, and even snakes. And the Philippine eagle and the Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So our national bird, the Philippine eagle, is bigger and bulkier than our serpent eagles. That's it for our Philippine serpent eagle technique. So there's a flight back to fly back to their nest and egg. It's called the reception is also to use the Earth's magnetic field to detect altitude, location, and direction. That is it for our birds and our holy. Let's go, Jude. Unfortunately, a lot of animals in Cebu are struggling because of pollution and improper waste management. So always remember to reduce waste. reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. Because no matter how small our effort, let's do our part to protect this one and only world. Because remember, this is the only home that we have. See him a zoo and our trainer can do it.
Welcome to Simala Sanctuary River, Mama Mary, Larissa, Cebu.